Hi guys, now a little tutorial about cutting fish, like gutting them, okay? First thing, have a sharp knife, not those stupid made in China stuff. Buy something made in USA or Germany, okay? Get, cut it here, and then cut all the way until it is the anal. And then what you do, you have to get a little bit messy, get all this gut out. Now, once you take that out, here is one part that's like sticking to the mouth. It's really stiff. You gotta take all that out, put it through the way, and then after that, here comes the technical part. In this part, we have like a black line, okay, that has a lot of blood in it, and it's very, very yucky if you cook it. Okay, so you gotta get rid of that and make sure that's gone. Okay, now the next thing is I'm gonna take the heads off, but if you don't take the heads off and you want to just have the head just to have it, you gotta get rid of those also. So get rid of those, and then make sure nothing from this black stuff is here. Okay, that's how you do it. And then look at that skin. We're gonna fry it today, and we're gonna keep the skin. I'm gonna cut the head over there later on, and then cut the tail, and then fry it. Okay. All right. Hope it helped.